Tata Communications is hiring candidates for the role of junior customer execute. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and how you can apply for this particular role in Tata Communications. First of all, let me see company profile. Tata Communications is a global company with its roots in the emerging markets, headquartered in Mumbai and Singapore. It has more than 8,000 employees across 38 countries. The 3.2 billion company is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange of India and is the flagship telecoms arm of 103.3 billion Tata Group. This is the company profile they have provided, and the job role is junior customer service executive. Now let me see the job description the company has been provided. Responsible for creating and maintaining infrastructure necessary for the growth and upkeep of field and network operations, which shall include internet data centers, ATM sites, cable landing stations, and NW spaces to drive network efficiency and availability. Drive the procurement and technical planning of TGN and submarine cables owned by TCL and effect cost savings. Corrects mission critical utility infrastructure problems effectively at optimal cost and in timely manner. Ensure necessary coordination on certification and field level testing as appropriate for the business segment. Coordination with the technical teams for new enhancements or issues resolution. Drives initiatives, industrialization, and efficiencies to facilitate for improvements, that is, enhancements, updates, upgrades, new systems. The job location given is Bangalore. Experience is 0 to 2 years of experience, and they have given the eligibility criteria. Graduate in any discipline can apply, like means any people can apply for this particular role. 60% or 6 CGPA and above throughout without any running backlogs, and they need 0 to 2 years of experience in the graduates like 2020 or 2021 can apply for this particular role. And this is the link. Using the link you can able to apply for this particular role. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link to apply for this particular role in Tata Communications, and I will be giving the Telegram link in the description box too. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me via the Telegram, and if you want to know the daily updates regarding the jobs, you can follow me via the YouTube channel. All the best for your interview process.